What's going on, guys? Cody here with CJ Build. Thanks for tuning into the channel. And guys, sorry for the slow uploads. Honestly, my computer's been having a bit of trouble. I've been having some issues with the editing software, but we're going to continue with the uploads and we're going to keep cranking them out as fast as possible. I got some things figured out with the computer to make it work, at least temporarily. But anyway, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to kind of be making it a bit safer to drive. So we're going to be doing the dump on the wastegate, and we're also going to be doing full exhaust. Right now, if you guys don't know, the car is open downpipe, so we're gonna complete the whole exhaust all the way to the back to the muffler that's been on the car since we got it. We're also gonna do some heat protective stuff, so we're gonna wrap the dump coming out of the wastegate, and we're also going to put a blanket on the back of the turbo just to help heat a little bit in the engine bay. I already have a buddy of mine coming over right now to weld up the dump for the wastegate, so we're gonna hop into that, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to the muffler shop and do the rest of the exhaust. So I'll catch you guys in a few when Abraham shows up.
I'm not gonna touch that shit. How's it looking, Doc? Pretty good, Doc. Pretty good?
Alright guys, the wastegate dump is done, but I want to wrap it up. He did like a little flare at the bottom for just like some hot boy points. So we're going to wrap this up so we don't have so much heat by the turbo. Slap it back on. Alright guys, I really tried filming this, but I had to walk around the entire garage because I was trying to wrap it tightly. It came out alright. Main part that I'm worried about is up top because that's what's going to be seen. The rest, I mean, came out okay down here, but you won't see that part. This part you'll see, so let's put it on and see how it looks. Because get the other stud. Not look too bad. I think it looks pretty. That tucked down there. I say that looks pretty spicy.
Good morning everyone. It is about 7:40 in the morning and I'm heading out with my dad. We're going to the exhaust shop and we're gonna finally complete the exhaust. We're gonna have the downpipe connected back to the axle back. We're taking out that whole metal section because it had a resonator that was completely blown. I don't know if you guys remember from the first videos, but cars will be a lot quieter. Right now we are blessed with spoolie boy sounds, but in a little bit the car's gonna be a lot quieter, a bit more of a sleeper. And once we have that done and we put the bumper on, this thing's gonna be a little sleeper beeper. All right, guys, so we just finished with the exhaust, and believe it or not, the car is on right now. This car literally sounds like it's stuck. It has like a deep tone when you're right behind it, but this car's gonna be a nice little sleeper. But you can't even hear it. Be able to hear the blow-up valve now. But dude, this thing sounds this thing sounds so quiet. Now we'll be able to wreak some havoc on the street. I mean, drive safely. Feels weird. I'm used to hearing the turbo spooling, used to hearing the exhaust right under my butt. Very weird. It sounds like the beams when we first got it. I don't know if you guys remember the beams, but how you pretty much just heard like the motor sound and the HKS blow valve. It sounds a lot. I just like that deep tone. Sounds a lot like the beams. When we go to get on the highway, I'll do a pull so you can hear what it sounds like, because right now we're in traffic. So once we get on the highway, I'll do a few pulls and you'll see. We're gonna have to put the bumper on, paint the intercooler black, because this thing's a sleeper now. Hey, nice car, man.
Guys, the car is silent. Literally, you don't even hear the car until the car is going into boost. So that's what we're gonna end today's video. Next video, we're gonna probably be up in the boost a bit, but for today, we're gonna end there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely gonna be having more Honda content coming up. You know, it's a little bit of a sleeper now, so might do some sleeper things. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions or anything like that, let us know down below or message us on Instagram. And if not, catch you on the next upload.